I'm going to show you 17 little known tools that will save you time, make you money, make you smarter, or some combination of the above. The first is vidIQ. So vidIQ is a very cool tool. You can see here on the right side, it shows me how well a YouTube video is doing. So this is a 0.8x outlier. So it's doing a little bit worse than the average. And you can see this little gray over here is kind of the average video, and the blue is how it's performing. It shows how many views per hour it's getting, 514. And if I were to go to the person's actual YouTube library, it'll give me an idea of, just wait for 3 seconds. Do you see this like 0.8x, 2.5x? This gives me an idea of how all of the videos are performing. So 3.5x, this is a 9.4. So I can say, oh, something about this thumbnail or something about this headline worked really well, or the topic. What can I learn from this? And it's just a way to passively learn while you're using YouTube. Next is YouTube Summary with ChatGPT. So that is this right here. It's another Chrome extension. And if I'm looking for something specific in a video, I'm like, I'm pretty sure it talks about this. I can just search, and the transcript's right here. It makes it super easy. I could also copy the transcript. I could click right here. It'll take me to ChatGPT and summarize the video. Next is Video Speed Controller. So you can maybe see this is kind of small, the 1.00. If I just press the letter D on my keyboard, it speeds up. If I press the letter S, it slows down. You can do this with ads. You can do it with videos on LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, wherever you are. Netflix, you can speed things up. Okay, next is Screen Studio. I'm not going to pull it up because I just tried that and it made me restart the whole video. So it's just a simple way of recording whatever is on your screen. You could choose what portion of your screen you want to record, what audio you want it to capture, and you can create small little MP4 videos that you can then use for your content. Next is not SEMrush, but Similarweb, the Chrome extension, where if I come in here and click on Similarweb, which I did right here, you can see the last 3 months how much traffic the person is getting. So acquisition.com is averaging about 1 million views per month. And if you want the paid version, you could get even more data, but I just use the free version and kind of passively learn while I'm on the internet. Next is TweetPic. So I grabbed a tweet that I liked and I threw the URL in, and I basically just clicked on it, and I can choose the background color, and I can choose if I want to share metrics. I can choose if it's for LinkedIn or Instagram and adjust the size based on that. And then I can download it as a PNG. Really easy way to repurpose X or Twitter content. Next is Auphonic. Auphonic creates these chapters for you where it basically splits your YouTube video into a bunch of different sections based on what you're talking about. It also improves your audio quality. Next is Tap the Link. So Tap the Link is amazing. Basically, if you're scrolling on LinkedIn, somebody links to a YouTube video and you click on it, it's going to open up a new browser directly within LinkedIn. And that is a terrible user experience. I'd much rather have people taken to the platform where I want them to go. And so if you use a deep link, you just paste your URL in here, you click get a Tap the Link, it's free, and then you use that link. It's kind of like Bitly if it shortens a link or something. Then it'll take them directly to the platform itself. Better user experience. Next is privacy.com. So this lets you, if you have employees or you have freelancers and they need to spend some dollars on software tools, then you can just preload a card with $100, $500, $1,000 and let them make the purchases by giving them the card information. Just a very secure way of sharing financial information. Signwell is a DocuSign alternative that's free. It's awesome. Gamma is an amazing tool for lead magnets. I use it all the time. It's like there's a lot of AI functionality built into this. It's kind of like Google Doc or Google Slides, but even easier to use. After somebody books a call with me, I have them taken to this page where there's a 12-minute video. I walk them through kind of my whole sales pitch so they know what the call will be about. Next tool is Leave Me Alone, and Leave Me Alone lets you unsubscribe from unwanted emails very quickly. It's like a platform to do that instead of manually doing it, which is a hassle. I think it's $15 a month. And then it also, you can I have this section, I call it roll-ups, and all of the newsletters that I get that I like to read, I just have it put all into a roll-up section. So when I'm actually on my Gmail, I don't see all of the newsletters unless I click into that specific filter. Just makes it really easy to manage. Next is Miro. Miro is amazing for creating custom visuals. So I'll do things like this all the time. 0 to 1,000 right followers. I just have 1,000 little guys there. Or I'll talk about total potential leads that reach out to you and don't reach out to you. And I'll just create stuff like this all the time. I can use in videos. I can use in content for images. Really easy to use. Copy, paste, drag, drop. It's awesome. Phantom Buster is a great way to extract leads. And so I will, for example, pull all of my followers from LinkedIn, and then I'll put that into a spreadsheet, and those are the people that I'll DM. Those will be my warm DMs. Really easy to use and pretty intuitive once you do it a time or two. Brain.fm is my next one. I use this every single day. If I were to switch to a different Chrome tab, you would see that I have had this going for the last few hours, and it just helps me do deep work. Apparently there's some science behind it that the binaural beats help you focus. I'm a fan. Pika.style. So this just makes your screenshots nicer. You can kind of choose the colors for your background. You can adjust it. You just drop your image right in here. And if you need, a lot of times, like the size of your picture doesn't fit the platform. And so what you can do here is you just choose the size that you want. You can automatically zoom it out and have some of the background showing, and it still looks nice. The last tool that I will show you is not a software tool, but it is one of my favorite tools, and it is this little timer. I love setting this thing to 60 minutes and basically just working for 60 minutes. I'm a big fan of doing deep work, and this thing is highly, highly effective as far as productivity goes. So those are the 17 tools. Hope this was helpful.